When looking at where to park your cash and make it work for you, many people wonder whether trading platforms like Robinhood can act as a traditional bank. Specifically, does Robinhood Banking offer high-yield savings accounts? To answer this directly, Robinhood is not a traditional bank, and it does not offer a standalone high-yield savings account. However, it does provide a feature that functions similarly through its high-yield cash program, which is available exclusively to Robinhood Gold subscribers. If you pay the monthly or annual subscription fee for Robinhood Gold, you can earn a competitive annual percentage yield on your uninvested cash. This program works by sweeping your uninvested brokerage cash into a network of partner banks, which allows your money to earn interest while it sits in your account waiting to be deployed into stocks, options, or other assets. The mechanics of how this works are straightforward. Standard users on the platform generally do not earn this elevated rate on uninvested cash. By upgrading to the paid subscription tier, your eligible cash balance automatically participates in the sweep program. Because these partner banks are FDIC-insured institutions, the cash swept into them receives pass-through deposit insurance coverage up to applicable limits, giving you a layer of security similar to what you would expect from a conventional bank savings account. However, there are important distinctions to keep in mind. Because this is a brokerage cash sweep feature rather than a traditional savings account, you won't get standard banking features like a traditional checking account ledger, physical branch access, or check writing capabilities directly through a savings portal. Your funds are held inside an investing ecosystem designed to move fluidly between cash and market assets. Another factor to consider is the subscription cost. Because the high-yield cash feature requires a paid gold membership, you need to calculate whether the interest you earn on your cash balance will comfortably outweigh the subscription fee. For instance, if you maintain a specific amount of uninvested cash, the interest generated will easily cover the yearly cost, making it a net positive. If your cash balance is very low, the subscription fee might eat into your returns, rendering traditional high-yield savings accounts at online banks a more logical choice. Ultimately, while Robinhood doesn't offer a bank savings account by name, its cash sweep program for gold members fills the exact same financial niche for investors who want to earn interest on sideline cash without transferring it out of their trading app. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.